Manufacturing is the most productive sector of all sectors in terms of GVA, the gross value added, so the value to the economy. So every job in manufacturing actually delivers more value to the economy than any other type of job, which is hard for people to believe because there is a perception that manufacturing is yesterday's industry. But actually, modern manufacturing is a vibrant sector with lots of fantastic jobs in all kinds of roles, so from marketing to accountancy to R&D. Modern manufacturing encompasses everything involved in the transformation of a product. So not just the production end, but the design, the development, the innovation, all the way through proof of concept, right the way through to production. And in the Northwest, we have some fantastic sectors. In fact, Northwest manufacturing is worth 20 billion to our economy, which always surprises people. We've got 60% of the world's top chemical companies here in the Northwest. We're the leader in aerospace, in chemicals, in food and drink. There's a whole range of opportunities, particularly for young people moving into these types of jobs. And thinking about the economy in terms of getting us out of the economy, because manufacturing is so productive and because it has such a positive impact on the balance of payments and trade, it's even more critical. So manufacturing is almost at the forefront of leading us out of recession. If we look at what's going to happen to manufacturing over the next 3 or 4 years, estimates are that there'll be another 750,000 jobs created, of which 324,000 will be in STEM-related subjects. So lots and lots and lots of opportunities for people with the right skills, and it's critical that we have those skills coming through to drive the growth, to drive the economy. So the prospects for manufacturing are actually quite bright. The Development Agency has set up a Northwest Manufacturing Forum, and one of its key roles is to focus on the image and what we can do about that. And there are all kinds of things, but one of the most important, I think, is to make sure that younger people, school children, people at college, people at university, have the opportunity to go and look for themselves. Because once they get into a factory and they've seen it, they tend to change their views really quickly. So the strong links between schools, colleges, universities and business, particularly manufacturing businesses, is something that we really want to push, really want to engender stronger links. And I'm really keen also on trying to create more opportunities for student placements, because there is a great need to get people into work, to show them what it's like. So the stronger the links we can forge between business and the university sector, the better. There's always opportunity to forge stronger links between business and university, and I would certainly like to see more. I think there's more to be done on both sides. I think the universities have done a fantastic job. I also think businesses are awake to their need. If you look at some of the things that have been available for businesses, the innovation vouchers, which encourages businesses to use an amount of money to purchase skills and research from the universities, that's gone really well. Also knowledge transfer partnerships. So all those things have started to bring business and universities together, but there's always more to be done, because we want knowledge-based jobs. We don't want the nuts and bolts. A lot of those have gone to low-cost countries, but we want the knowledge jobs, we want the skills jobs, and therefore innovation, and universities are absolutely at the heart of that. We've got an amazing resource here in the Northwest with our 14 universities around the region, many students and fantastic courses at the highest level. So now we have a wonderful talent pool, 65,000 graduates coming out of the Northwest every year, and we want as many as possible to stay and get great jobs and good careers, and again make this region even more vibrant. Students need technical skills, so they need to be good at their subject. They also need to understand the world of work, so getting some working experience is critical, and that's where industry also has to come forward, but getting some really good work experience. I also think, to me, if you're a fully rounded person, then you're prepared to do a little bit more, so maybe a little bit of activity in the community. For the next 1 to 2 years, it's still going to be tough. But there are a few green shoots. We are focused on recovery. I think the good companies have tried to put policies in place such that they've retained as many skills as possible. We know the value of those skills. I think we still have strong and vibrant sectors here in the Northwest, great universities, great students coming through. We will weather this storm, we will come out of it, and hopefully we'll come out of it stronger.